Another draw with pretty candidates with women's candidates here. Between with Grandmaster in India is Deshmukh versus by Grandmaster in India Vaishali. In this game number 2, so it means Sukswang. So what do you think about with white and blacks, blunder ratios, and two brilliant sacrifice with perfect shot with a currency move? So what do you think about this best with women's candidates in this round number 2? Okay, so let's study of this play chess here. The battle against Team India's with women's candidates round number 2 between Grandmaster in India's is Divya Deshmukh with fighting against versus by Grandmaster in India is Vaishali R, the little brother of Ragnananda. So in the start of these videos here, in the start of this analyze of the standings after round number 2 with women's candidates. So white plays Deshmukh is C4, e6 by Vaishali, knight c3, d5, and also pawn d4, h6 with Vaishali capture this pawn, takes, and also bishop f4. It is called by this one with queen's gambit decline, queen's knight's variation, so it is called by English opening. And also c6 by Vaishali, and also pawn e3 with Deshmukh, bishop d6. So without Vaishali, with challenge by diagonals by dark square, challenge with bishop to bishop. With Deshmukh, bishop captured, queen takes with Vaishali, and also bishop d3. Knight e7 with Vaishali by upcoming by playing next castling kingside here. And also with queen c2. So this is a disappearance by not found in this book line novelty with GM Deshmukh. So this is the old main lines here with queen f3 here. Queen f3 is a old main lines here. Queen c2 new move novelty with Deshmukh here because this is a out of this book line here. And castling with Vaishali. And also knight f3 with Deshmukh by upcoming by next castle kingside. And also knight d7 together with the plannings of maneuver with Vaishali is knight to f6 here. So this is a next maneuver. Castling with Deshmukh here. And also knight f6 good move without plannings by next of strong enterings by knight to e4. So this is a very strong move by Vaishali. Or without upcoming by next of with bishop to g4. Next move against with bishop here. And also pawn to h3 with Deshmukh by no more bishop g4, knight g4. So this is a connected pass pawn with Deshmukh. So this is a continuations by with more of this one with interesting. And also g6 with Vaishali here. And also rook a b1. So this is a more sukswang. So with a sukswang with white pieces with Deshmukh. So and with that continuous with creating by more of this one with challenging here. Pawn to a5 with Vaishali by next by creating by next move with b5. So without next creating b5 here with Vaishali. And also knight a4 together with enterings by knight to c5 strong move with Deshmukh here. And also bishop f5 with challenge by this one with Vaishali, light square with bishop. Knight c5 with Deshmukh defense of this bishop. Will that explain, for example, why don't we bishop captured light square? Bishop takes f5. And also knight captured with bishop here. So if you pawn to g4 threatening the knights here. So threats the knights. And knight go back g7. So this is a good breaking for examples here. But that idea is knight c5 continues together with the defense of bishop with Deshmukh. Queen c7 with Vaishali. And also rook fc1 together with more of this one with rook pairs. So this is a continuations with queens here. So this is it's called by this one with closeness here. Knight d7 together with attacks the knights creating with targets with knights here with white knights here. And idea ignorance by Deshmukh knight a4. Without second, for example, why don't we knight capture? It's okay. Knight takes d7 here. Queen takes captured with knights here. If you knight e5 with threatening the queens. So threats the queens here. And also with more controls is queen d6 here. So this is a good slightly examples. So without back there, with ignorance by dash move, knight a4, rook fe8 with 8 rank with Vaishali, knight c3 with dash move together by plannings with dash move maneuvers knight to e2, knight g3, and knight f4 next maneuver. So this is a next maneuver. Queen d6 with Vaishali, knight e2 good move. With next move maneuvers knight g3 or knight f4 with dash move. Queen f6 by Vaishali, knight f4 good moves with creating by this one with differentiate by more of this one with controls. I forgot something without explain. For example, why don't we bishop captured continue with threatening the queens here or threats the knights here? So this is a continuations. Queen captured with bishops here. If you knight to c8 with differentiate here with against with the next of with maneuvers is knight to b6 here, and also with creating is h4. So h4 here. So this is a good advantage for creating from once of this computer here. So back there is queen f6 with Vaishali, knight f4 with dash move, bishop takes, good proceeds, knight takes. Oh, with dash move. Why don't we queen captured bishop? So this it is okay by captured. With knight captured with dash move, and also knight to f5 entrance by strong move with Vaishali here, and also b4 good move. With next up a4 pawns here, with creating by this one with push to b5. So this is a strong move by dash move. And also knight d6 more together with movement by this one with Vaishali, a4 good move. Next of b5 creating with next move here. And also queen e7 captured damage full by ugliness pawn structure, double pawns by dash move. So it means dash move here. Rook takes without idea by battery. Next up battery with counters with battery with rook captured pawns. And also rook b4 with dash move. Next up creating by battery here. And also rook e8, rook e8 battery here. And also rook cb1 battery by next move by this one by triple battery with pins here. So this is a triple battery. And also rook 8 a7 with Vaishali by next of with queen to d8, or maybe next by queen d8 or creating by triple batteries here. So this is a creating here by with positional moves here. And also battery queen b3. So it means so with a triple battery with dash move, so it means Swang. It is called by made by Germany here. And also queen d8 by Vaishali by next of triple battery. So next triple battery. And also knight fe5. So cannot let down by Vaishali attacks the knights. King g7. Without explain, why don't we knight captured? It is okay, sir. Knight takes e5. D takes captured, threatening the knights here. And also with movement is c5. c5 sacrifice attacks the with more controls attacks the rooks. If you knight captured, brilliant sacrifice here. Knight takes c5, rook captured with knight sacrifice, and with captured with knights here. So this is a with more of this one with triples here. So good advantage once of this computer here. So this is a good examples here. Okay, with back there with force move with proactive king g7 with Vaishali, and also queen d1 backwards with dash move, queen e7 with Vaishali, with go backs queen b3 dash move, with go backs with Vaishali, queen d1, queen e7, knight takes capture. So it means so no more by 3 repetitions draw. So it means no more 3 repetitions draw. So this is a chess rules here. So knight takes captured, queen takes captured, and also knight c5 by dash move. With next of 3 threatening the targets with queen. So this is a threats. So threatening the queens. Queen backward c8 with Vaishali, and also queen f3 by Deshmukh, and also knight e4 enterings by this one. So GM Vaishali blunder ratio, so below evaluation bar, so does not like of this ones of this computer. So this is a symbolized by very blunder ratio, so this is a double question mark. So the one's computer, the best move this one is pawn to b5 here, with attacks the together with attacks the pawns here. So this is a b5 is a best move with good evaluation bar here. So if you capture this pawn, knight takes captured here, b5, and also queen to f4. Wait, okay, queen f4, or maybe by queen f4. Queen f4 here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. Idea to need to see up this finding by this one by best move here. Without back there is knight to e4. This is a blunder ratios with Vaishali. And excelente. Rook captured, good move. With excelente with Deshmukh rating by challenge by rook to rook. In accept by Vaishali, rook takes, and also knight g5 threatening the disturbance the queen. Queen to g3, oh no, so this is a Mr. Blundericious. So it means that this is the super Mr. Blundericious by this one with Deshmukh Grandmaster. So this is a Blundericious, so does not like a queen to g3 Blundericious. So it means that the best move is this one is queen to g4 challenged by queen to queen. If you queen captured, accepted here, and also h takes captured here. H takes captured. If you knight to e4 with threatening the knights here, and also with ignorance by knight to d3. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So queen g3, Mr. Blundericious by GM Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh. So it means, so the first puzzle, what do you think about the one's computer with strong move against Grandmaster Vaishali, finding first brilliant captured sacrifice here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured knight. Once of this computer by this one by Shali, brilliant captured by rook. So this is a goods for blacks by evaluation. So it means brilliant captured sacrifice by Grandmaster by Shali. And excelente with Deshmukh queen to e5 with check. Without check here, so it means without check. Together by this one by next up rook to b8 threatening the queens here. So this is a threats the queens here. And with Vaishali is king to h7, good move. And also rook b8 with Deshmukh attacks the threats the queens. And with good move, another excellent rook c1 check with Vaishali, king h2. Okay, second puzzle, what do you think with ones of this computer? Another brilliant move with GM Vaishali without India's here. With second guessing puzzle, so while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the another brilliant boom. What? Queen takes h3 check. What another brilliant captured sacrifice with Vaishali. So this is a brilliant move. So this is a good evolution bar with blacks with Vaishali. So it means if you capture this pawn with queens, so it means knight to f3 check. So with the check traps the doubles with queens here. So this is a traps the queens. So queens trap. So it means so queen captured h3 check. Brilliant sacrifice captured here. Another brilliant. And Deshmo captured with queens and knight f3 check. Another excelente with Vaishali with check and double traps the queens here. So this is a double. And king to g2 with Deshmo, knight captured with queens takes. So this is a rooks here. So with how many pawns here? Within 5 pawns and 5 pawns against. With same here. So it means without controls with 9 seconds, we change against 27 or maybe 33 seconds here. And rook a1 attacks the pawns with Vaishali and rook a8. So it means another agree draw with round number 2. So it means with score with accuracy with Deshmukh 95.3 and Vaishali 95.7. So the currency wins Vaishali. So because this is a 2 brilliant sacrifice here, so it means so white blunders and black blunders here. So it means another with score with 4 candidates with women's candidates with 1 points all. So with that first by Zhushiner, second by Tanzongi, third by Alexander Gorshkina, and fourth by Katarina Lagno, and fifth by this one with Bibisara Asabayeva here, and sixth by this one, what's the name with this one, or maybe by maybe I don't know what's the name here. So it means this is a I don't know what names. I forgot something my this women's candidates without 7 by Deshmukh and 8 by Shali. So what's the name of this control? So it means so one all with another draw with round number 2 here. So okay, I will next up this one with open candidates round number 3. So I will analyze of this one game. So I don't have waste that time. So next round number 4 between women's candidates will choose against Zhu versus Deshmukh here, round number 4. Okay, I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So happy Holy Week here by Good Friday, and happy Good Friday. Bye bye.